Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an overview of setting up your development environment. So we will cover the following topic. I will discuss the required software and we will also go through the high level step. Alright, so one prerequisite is that you must have the Java development kit installed. That is the JDK. So that is JTK and not the JRE, but the JDK in regular to the required software to build this web application. You need to have the following. You need to have a Java server, an IDE. For example, you have the following things: Java application server and IDE. IDEs mean Java Integrated Development Environment. Regarding the Java App Server, there's not a different solution option, like Glassfish, JBoss, WebLogic, and so on. But we are going to keep it simple and make use of Tomcat Server. Next, for the IDE, again, a lot of options. We simply focus on using the Eclipse IDE. Now, what I will do is actually break the video up. So, so first of all, we use the Tomcat as my Java application server. And then the IDE, we use the Eclipse. So I will have a separate video installing the Tomcat Java App Server, and then I will have a separate video on installing Eclipse IDE. So this rest of the video, we cover the required software. We also discuss the high-level step. Let's go ahead and follow in the video, and we will actually go through the install our Java App Server, and we will install the Eclipse IDE. Alright, I will see you in the next video.